Welcome back. I want to show you another easier way to put your page online on GitHub that is fairly new. All we need to do is click on a new repository. We can create whatever we want. Startup of the year. We'll call it that for now. We'll make sure it's public. We can add a description if we want. And we can initialize this repository with a README. Now if I click Create Repository, I now have an empty project. And all we need to do here is click on Upload Files. And we can just drag and drop our files. In my case, I can just grab these 3 files we've been working on, drag them over here. It's going to upload them, and we'll just hit Commit Changes. And check it out. Once that's done, we have our page. Now, in order for this to work, we have to make sure that there's an index.html file. And all we need to do is now go to Settings, scroll all the way down to GitHub Pages, right here, select the source as the master branch. And don't worry, we're going to go over GitHub and how it works later on in the course. We have a dedicated section for it. But I just want to make sure that we can put things online so you can show off to your friends. If I scroll back to GitHub Pages now, you'll see that I have your site is ready to be published right here. So I can actually copy this link or click on it, and look at that. At this URL, my website is now online. And as you can see, it works just like we had. But this time, it's an actual website online. So this link I can send to my friends and show off. Now, one thing I like to do here when I create a page on GitHub is to copy this link, go back to the project, and add it to the description here as the website, so that in the future, I can just click on here and I'm directed to my website. All right, that was a lot of work, but congratulations, you have your website online. Go share it with your friends, with your family, with your dog, with your enemies, and I'll see you in the next video.